Hi guys, I'm Ellen if you're new here, and welcome to spend the day in Vegas with me. It is about 8:30 this morning. I woke up really early, still jet lagged. I'm from London if you're new here, and I've decided to just go for a little bit of a wander. We are staying at a hotel called the Wynn, so I just popped downstairs, got myself a matcha because I heard that this coffee place had really great matcha. So I did that, and then I decided to use my morning to wander over to the Venetian while it's quiet. So I'm currently at the Venetian. I'll flip you around and show you in a bit. But they basically set the scene that it's like the morning. I don't know how to describe it. It's like, honestly, I'm having the best time there because it's really, really it is beautiful. But then I feel weird saying that because it's like a fairy tale. It's like adult Disneyland, but I think I'm going to be a big fan of Vegas. The plan of action for today is wake up, get ourselves ready, which I've done. Then we've got some breakfast credits to use in the Wynn, so head for breakfast in the Wynn. And then we're going to somewhere called AREA15, and I think my dad's managed to hook us up with all access passes to all the different things you can do in AREA15. I'm not 100% sure how to describe what it is, but I'll take you guys along with me. The main thing I wanted to go to there was a place called Omega Mart, which is like a kind of weird and wonderful grocery store type thing, but I think the whole thing is basically one big art. What is this on my phone? I hope that hasn't been there the whole video. A weird and wonderful crazy art installation. So yeah, let's explore Vegas today together. People have actually thrown pennies in as well to make a wish, which I think is adorable. Obviously, during the day when it's not the early hours of the morning, you can get a gondola ride. So I would like to come back and see the gondolas go around because it is quite close to our hotel, and maybe bring Pete back. But it's really cute. I don't think I'd want to go on a gondola. We have made it to Area 15. I'm so excited. I hope I can film and everything inside. I think the whole thing's just a big Instagram spot, so I assume it'll be fine. It looks so cool so far. I'm really excited. We are going into the main Area 15 section at the moment. They do have a few other things here. So they've got a zombie VR thing and something a little akin to the Sphere, but it does illumination experiences. But yeah. Thanks, Dad. How do we know what to do first?
So Omega Mart first?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, that's over there to the left.
Peter. Hey. But first copy. Also, this is Omega Mart, and you can buy everything in the store, and everything's weird. Not taking a seat just yet. Hi again, it feels like ages since I've spoken to you, but we went to AREA15, which was so fun. I hope I got loads of footage. My favourite bit was definitely the Omega Mart. That was so cool. It was just like such like a cool, immersive experience thing to do, and really like unique and quite different from anything I've ever seen before. And then like throughout the whole place, they had loads of different things. So we did like axe throwing, we did like a race car driving thing, we did like a zip line all the way around the like space. It was so fun. I would highly recommend it if you're in Vegas. We are now all dressed up, ready to go out for dinner. We are heading over to the Cosmo today to go to Beauty in Essex, which is a speakeasy style restaurant. So I'm really excited. And I haven't been able to film in loads of the places we've been going to for dinner just because that's the vibe of the place, but I can actually film in this one, which is very exciting. So I should be able to get some content for you in there, although it is very dark. I'm gonna show you my outfit. So I'm wearing this Vivienne Westwood top, which is, I think it's called the Hebrew top. I've then got on these trousers from Zara, which are wide leg, my Meester boots, and I'm gonna take a little stored handbag. Our room's a little bit messy right now, but this is the Wynn Tower Suites room that we're in. I think it's like a king room. It's actually not that messy, it's not too bad. And we have a view of the Las Vegas Sphere, which is pretty freaking cool. Let me show you this. That is the view from our window. We are on the 18th floor and we're on the even numbers side. So if you're in the Tower Suites, you want to get the even numbers side in order to get a view of the Sphere. Odd numbers to get a view of like the, what do they have a view of? Sphere is so cool. This isn't one of the best things it plays. The other night it was playing like the planets, which was really cool. This just looks a bit like a screensaver, but it plays some like really cool stuff. Look at it. Ah, it's a better view of it. There we go. Really cool. And then this is another angle of the room. The bed is so comfy, oh my God. And I love the decor as well. It's just like really like tastefully done, very luxury. I'm a big fan. I'll show you a little bit more of the Wynn lobby as well. Yeah, like I said, we're on the 18th floor. We're staying in the Tower Suites, which is like one of the towers of the Wynn. So it's the Tower Suites, just the normal bit of the Wynn and the Encore. So yeah. Oh, I feel better that you don't have a coat either.
Sit eating outside.
We've made it to the Cosmopolitan. It looks like it is so big. There are like so many restaurants, like so many floors. Yeah, it's exciting.
Oh, we're going to the
I don't know. Cosmo is also full of loads of different speakeasy bars. So obviously Beauty in Essex is like dressed up as a speakeasy, but like it's signposted, you know what it is. But it has ones that are like literally not at all signposted and you have to like know about them to find them. But obviously with the rise of TikTok, they're a lot more easy to figure out and find. But with the scale of a hotel like this, I still feel like you'd have to like find your way around to even find the bars. So there's like that element of it as well, of like the maze that is the hotels in Vegas. That? A little camera. Really? Wow. Oh my God, cute.
That's ridiculous.
So we finished our breakfast at the Wynn and now we are on a bit of like a strip walk, walking down. We're just going to walk down like the main strip and have a look at all the hotels and stuff from the outside. I want to see like the Eiffel Tower. We're currently at the Venetian. I've been inside at the Venetian, but I hadn't seen like the bridge and stuff on the outside yet, so that's fun. We are aiming for New York, because I want to see like the food court bit of New York, so that's what we're aiming for. I'm going to see how much the ride is because I would quite like to go on the Big Apple ride. But yeah, take you along. I feel like we need to come and try and see this at night.
Apparently like the roller coasters, and apparently I